Assalamualaikum mas bro, bertemu lagi di channel Kurowashi Painting. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan spill warna dari cat aerosol RJ London, warna yang sangat fresh, nyagerin pakai banget, yaitu warna Hino Green 837. Udah penasaran kan bagaimana sih proses step by stepnya? Yuk pantang terus video ini agar mas bro tahu bagaimana sih proses pengerjaan mulai dari awal sampai akhir. Oke mas bro, jadi di sini media sudah kita beri epoxy grey 68 ya, dan tentunya sudah kita amplas menggunakan grit 1000. Oke lanjut, untuk dasaran di sini kita beri 40 watt karena warna dari Hino Green ini adalah warna solid yang sangat cerah. Kita semprotkan tipis-tipis merata 2,5 lapis, tunggu sampai kering. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could. Masuk ke warna utama mas bro, yaitu warna Hino Green 837. Semprotkan 2,5 lapis tipis-tipis merata dan tunggu sampai kering. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. Setelah warna Hino Green sudah kering sentuh, lanjut ke proses finishing. Untuk finishing kita pakai clear lacquer 540. Semprotkan 3,5 lapis tipis-tipis merata juga ya mas bro, jangan kebanyakan. Untuk jarak semprotan 15 cm dari media. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. Nah, jadi seperti ini mas bro, hasil warna dari Hino Green 837. Warnanya sangat seger banget kan? Kalau diibaratkan buah sih seperti melon ya. Hahaha. Jadi saya rasa cukup video kali ini mas bro. Semoga bermanfaat. Jangan lupa tetap jaga kesehatan, berpikiran positif, dan sayangi keluarga. Jangan lupa juga like, share, and subscribe agar tidak ketinggalan video terbaru dari saya. Sampai jumpa di video saya selanjutnya. Terima kasih. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some